Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we help you increase your productivity and achieve your goals. Today, we're going to talk about creating a daily routine for maximum efficiency. A daily routine can help you stay on track, reduce stress, and increase productivity. The first step in creating a daily routine is to identify your priorities. What tasks are most important to you? Which ones require the most time and attention? Once you have a clear understanding of your priorities, you can start to plan your day accordingly. The next step is to set realistic goals. It's important to be realistic with your goals so that you don't feel overwhelmed or discouraged. Start small and gradually increase your goals over time. Now let's talk about scheduling. Schedule your tasks based on your priorities and goals. Make sure you have enough time allocated to each task so that you don't feel rushed or overwhelmed. It's also important to create a morning routine. A morning routine can help you start your day off on the right foot and set a positive tone for the rest of the day. This can include things like meditation, exercise, or even just a cup of coffee. Next up, minimize distractions. Distractions can be a major hindrance to productivity, so it's important to minimize them as much as possible. This could mean turning off your phone, closing unnecessary tabs on your computer, or even working in a quiet space. Another important aspect of a daily routine is taking breaks. Taking regular breaks throughout the day can help you stay focused and avoid burnout. Lastly, be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to creating a daily routine. Stick to your routine as much as possible, and if you do have to deviate from it, make sure you have a plan in place to get back on track. And that's it. Creating a daily routine can seem daunting at first, but by following these simple tips, you can create a routine that works for you and helps you achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more productivity tips and tricks.